Manual drum, full voltage reversing motor starters. Whoa, what on earth are we talking about here? A manual drum type reversing motor starter. That's what this thing is here. Now, it's called a drum cam or a drum switch because of how the inside contacts are arranged. And what I want you to really see from the nameplate initially, before we go any further, is this. Notice that it's rated for a single phase, polyphase, which would be 3-phase, or even DC motor. That's nuts. How can one unit be used for all of those? Well, inside this unit, there are a number of different switching contact points. And the way that they have designed this unit is such that if we place it to the left, we're going to go in reverse. If it's in the middle, it's stopped. And if we go on the right, it's going to go in forward for a single phase motor, a 3-phase motor, or even a DC motor. And that's what makes this such a versatile basic motor starter. If you just need a manual motor starter in a service van to try to jack of all trades use on any type of installation, this would really be the one to have. Now, the way that we are able to do this type of connection is with the manufacturer's information. So let's just zoom in on this diagram that we have. Usually this is on the inside of the cover, and they show us here the connections. There are 6 terminals. When it's off, none of the terminals are connected. Reverse, 1 and 2 are connected, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and forward, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5 and 6. Now, the motors I've shown here are only the most common motors. 3-phase, 3-wire motor. Here's our line conductors, A, B, C, and here's our 3 T-terminal conductors to the motor. Over here is a single-phase motor, and it could be capacitor start or just split phase resistive start or any of those with a centrifugal switch. And then we have the 3 different types of DC motors: DC shunt, DC series, and DC compound. Notice that all of them are using exactly the same starter. And yet, by arranging the connections to each of these items and the incoming supply, we managed to get the exact same operation of reverse, off, and forward. A versatile item, not seen installed new that much, but an excellent item to have in the back of the van or in the maintenance vehicle.